The year is 1915, and the immense industrial demand of the Great War rages, escalating across Britain. With men flocking to the perilous front lines, a critical and vast labor shortage rapidly emerged in crucial industries. This significant void, essential for maintaining the national war effort, necessitated a radical and immediate change in the nation's workforce. Thousands of women, traditionally confined to their domestic spheres, bravely stepped forward, ready to contribute to their country. Their immense courage and dedicated determination would fundamentally redefine societal roles and industrial labor forever. Masses of women began to mobilize, entering the dangerous and demanding environment of munitions factories across the country. These vital factories were the nation's lifeline, producing the enormous quantities of shells, bombs, and armaments necessary for the soldiers. The work was exceptionally taxing, often involving strenuous, non-stop long hours and constant exposure to highly hazardous materials. One such material was trinitrotoluene, or TNT, a highly unstable and explosive compound used to fill every shell casing. The constant, unavoidable exposure to the chemical dust of this powerful explosive resulted in a peculiar physical side effect. Their exposed skin, hair, and clothing gradually absorbed the chemical, turning them a distinct, unmistakable yellowish hue. This unique and visible occupational symptom poignantly earned them the enduring nickname, the Canary Girls. Despite the alarming and visible change in their complexion, these resilient women continued their vital work with unwavering resolve. They fully understood that the speed of their production directly ensured the survival and fighting capability of their men overseas. The public recognized the extraordinary sacrifice these women were making. The yellow tint became a badge of patriotic honor. Beyond the cosmetic changes, many Canary Girls tragically suffered from serious, long-term health issues and systemic poisoning. Prolonged TNT exposure led to severe conditions, including debilitating anemia, chronic liver damage, and painful skin irritation. Protective measures were minimal by modern standards, lacking effective ventilation, meaning the profound risks were underestimated. Yet their profound commitment to the national cause never wavered, driven by duty and a fervent desire for victory. Their continuous mass-scale dedication ensured a steady, reliable supply of munitions, directly impacting the war's progression. The Canary Girls became a powerful, lasting symbol of women's newfound capabilities and their essential service to the nation. Their story marks a pivotal moment in history when women decisively moved into traditionally male-dominated heavy industries. They proved their incredible strength, remarkable resilience, and capacity for mastering complex, demanding industrial labor. Their collective effort significantly bolstered the operational capacity of the Allied forces on the beleaguered Western Front. While the catastrophic Great War eventually ended, the industrial and social legacy of the Canary Girls endured permanently. Their heroic and challenging work paved the way for future movements promoting greater gender equality in the modern workplace. The quiet, profound sacrifices of these unsung heroines who risked their very health for the nation must never be forgotten. They perfectly embodied the tremendous, collective spirit of a nation fiercely united in a time of unprecedented global conflict. The Canary Girls, an inspiring cohort of women who physically changed history, one shell at a time, with courage and grit. Their story is a powerful, moving testament to the profound impact of ordinary people doing truly extraordinary things.